Most people think money change the mindset, but truth is mindset create money. If your mind is weak, even a high salary won't save you. You will spend more and save less and blame other. Okay. A strong mindset thinking long term. It asks how can I grow instead of why me. Rich mindset focus on learning skill, not just earning money. Okay. Poor mindset focusing only salary and comfort zone. Before money grow in your bank account, it must grow in your thinking. Change how you think and money will eventually flow. Okay. Now I gonna share here. If someone feed this book, then definitely I can share here. You will change your mindset into next level. Okay. Okay, I can waste your time, guys. I gonna share here first book. Name is Rich Dad Poor Dad, written by Robert Kiyosaki. And guys, second book is The Psychology of Money. This book written by Morgan Housel. Okay, if someone read these two books, then definitely you will change your mindset toward money management. Okay, now I gonna end my video here. Thank you for watch my video till the end, guys. See you soon.